Hey guys, I'm back with another unboxing slash first thoughts. Okay, so the first thing I have is, in this, I believe, is a little camera. Show the address. Okay. Rip it. I had to rip it. Okay. So I've been having my eye on this one for a while, and one of my friends, Sean, said that this was actually a good purchase. So I'm trying it. This is actually one of the things that I once saw, and I was like, yeah, I'm never ever gonna get that. This is Wanwu again, and this is the Camera M. This one's in Zirc. I actually like the design of the Zirc and the stainless steel one better because it's two-tone. So like this part right here is dark and this part right here is lighter. Also they say it's heavier. But anyway, it is cute. Gosh, let's look at it here. Let's look at which we got. Now remember, this is used, so don't mind any imperfections. But the thing is that I really like to use my stuff, so I don't care if there's imperfections. All right, let's see here. Okay, so there's a clicker right here, a clicker right there. It would be cool if this thing was like a haptic. And then this is a slider. Only go this way? Why? Oh, because there's a track. 75 of 99. Camera M. Yeah, that's nice. Let me see, I got this used for $180. I think new, it's like $2 something. Right now in the Surplus Depot, they're selling them. I like it. It's so freaking cute. Oh, sorry, my stupid cat. Can you move, cat? Okay. Oh yeah. The guy who had this before, well, the guy who I was talking about, Sean Dumas, I look at a lot of his reviews because he ordered a lot of stuff in a small amount of time. And he said this was worth getting, and he doesn't like the multi-fidget stuff, but I do. But this is an example of a multi-fidget that works. I would highly suggest it. Now, again, I got this used, so don't mind the imperfections, but this is full zirconium. You can actually get this stainless steel and the zirconium one right now in the Surplus Depot for 150 bucks. But I like it, yes. This is definitely, I'm not gonna need to even have a re-review of it. It's good. It's perfect. I love it. All right, well, that's it. That is the Camera M by Wanwu. Oh, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks guys for watching.